Welcome to Late Night with Walter and Amy. Nope, you're not seeing it wrong. This is not Late Night, and it's not Walter and Amy. It's just Walter. But I want to tell y'all, we're going live tonight at 9 p.m. over on the Amy and Walter channel. Y'all please come on over there. Be our first live stream. I was playing around last night and I figured out how to go live, so it's real simple. It took me long enough to figure it out though. Just can't teach old dogs new tricks very easy. Y'all come on over. We're going to have fun. And you know we're old, so we're going to read the questions kind of slowly. But we'll catch on and we'll get the hang of it. So y'all please come on over. Subscribe to our other channel. The link is in the box below this video. Just click on over there and subscribe. And when the notifications goes out, you'll get notified that we're going live. We're going to go live every night at 9 p.m. I hope y'all like the show. We don't talk stimulus. We don't talk politics. We just have good fun over there. There's a lot of people over there that's really enjoying it. I think you will too. If you've never seen it, come on over. And if you don't like it, the beauty of the whole thing is you don't have to come back. But I think you'll like it. We'll love to have you. Until tonight at 9 p.m., I love you all. Keep your faith in God. Ciao.